Hello everyone, I'm here with sample paper 2 for class 9, term 1 in the MCQ pattern, that is the latest pattern of 2021-22. Let us quickly go through the general instructions. The question paper contains 3 sections. Section A, that is the reading section, has 18 questions. Attempt a total of 14 questions. Section B, writing and grammar section, has 12 questions. You have to attempt a total of 10. And in section C, literature, it has got 30 questions. You have to attempt 26 questions. All questions carry equal marks. There is no negative marking. This is the sample paper. The solution is at the end. So it will be better and a good practice if you solve as I read so that you are able to check your paper at the end and can decide where you lack. So let us start with the reading section. Question number 1 to 10 are based on given text. Read the text carefully and answer the questions. As the family finally sets off from home after many arguments, there is a moment of lull as the car takes off. All right, so where are we going for dinner now? Asks the one at the driving wheel. What follows is chaos as multiple voices make as many suggestions. By the time order is restored and a decision is arrived at, tempers have risen, feelings injured, and there is at least one person grumbling. 20 years ago, you would step out of the home, decision, meal, and venue already made with non-arguments opposition, and everybody looked forward to meal with equal enthusiasm. The decision was made by the head of the family and others fell in line. Today, every member of the family has a say in every decision, which also promotes a sense of togetherness and bonding. We empower our kids to make their own decisions from a very early age. We ask them the cuisine they prefer, the movie they want to see, the holiday they wish to go, and subjects they wish to study. It's a closely connected world out there where children consult and guide each other. A parent's well-meaning advice can sound like nothing more than unnecessary preaching. How then do we reach our children through all the conflicting views and make the voice of reason be heard? Children today question choices and prefer to go with flow. What then is the best path to take? I would say the most important thing one can do is listen to it. Listen to your children and their silences. Ensure that you keep some time aside for them. Insist that they share their stories with you. Step into their world. It is not complicated as it sounds. Just a daily half an hour of the quality time would do the trick. Question 1. Why does chaos happen when deciding where to go for dinner? A part, people's temper rise when not given a chance to speak. B part, people start grumbling. C part, the head of the family has no say in the decision. D part, everyone starts making a decision. Question 2. Why was it easy to make decisions in families 20 years ago? A part, if people didn't like anything, they stayed back home. B part, everyone respected the decision taken by the head. C part, women were not supposed to take part in decision making. People liked grumbling and rising tempers. Question 3. Who took important decisions 20 years ago? A. Woman of the house. B. Head of the family. C. Children. D. All members of the family. Question 4. What is the advantage of involving everyone in decision making? A part, quicker outcomes. B part, develops bonding. C part, empowers children. D part, better decisions. Question 5. In today's world, why parents involve their kids in decision making? A part, so they learn to speak up. B part, so they become dependent on their parents. C part, so they feel empowered. D part, so they learn not to go with the flow. Question 6. What advice does the writer give to the parents? A part, respect the head of the family and his decisions. B part, make time for children and listen to them. C part, don't involve everyone in decision making. D part, speak up and make decisions yourself. Question 7. What all does a parent need to listen to? A part, his child's poems. B part, his child's cries. C part, his child's stories. D part, his child's jokes. Question 8. What would be half an hour quality time to do? A part, children would feel alone. B part, improve the bonding of family members. C part, make children self-dependent. D part, make good parents. Question 9. The synonym of hurt as given in para 2 is A part, tempers. B part, restore. C part, injured. D part, grumble. Question 10. The word which means the same as a style or method of cooking in paragraph 4 is A part, gourmet. B part, science. C part, cuisine. D part, gastric. Question number 11 to 18 are based on given text. Read the text carefully and answer the questions. Chromotherapy is based on the fact that various lights have definitive energy bands and are linked to various organs of the body and can help to heal them. The body has been divided into 7 chakras or 7 colors. For instance, it begins with color red, going up to the head where violet is present. Their effects are also varied. Here red works for vegetative functionings of the body, green is the center around the heart, and violet and blue represent mind-related energy or spiritual energy or the cognitive energy of the body. This form of alternative therapy provides light to specific organs of the body in order to heal them. This form of therapy has no side effects. It can heal cataract, leukemia, anxiety and panic, among other things. But it has so far only been used as supportive treatment. But let us not forget that there is definite interest in the scientific principle across the globe. An interesting study that defines the reasons behind anxiety explains that changes in the biological clock led to neurohormonal imbalance causing disorders. Croatian scientists suggest that chromotherapy can regulate neurohormonal balance in the human brain by activating or inhibiting complex physiological, biological, and biochemical processes in the human brain, such as synthesis of various neurohormones. It is primarily based on Einstein's theory that body has energy correlate outside it, and if this energy correlates is brought in contact with the organ, it can actually heal the body. This includes all forms of mental or personality disorders. While different colors have different frequencies and respond differently when applied to body parts, a few pointers could help next time you feel blue. For instance, the color orange is best for people suffering from digestive ailments and those with weak immune systems. Red works for increasing blood circulation and stimulating the body and mind. Consumption of yellow-colored fruits and vegetables energizes the muscles and nerves and is also beneficial to those suffering from paralysis. Here are the questions. Quickly start answering as I read. Question 11. The unique thing about this theory is that it deals with disorders. B part, it has no side effects. C part, it is transparent. D part, it is elaborative. Question 12. Neurohormones are A part, hormones created in the brain. B part, chemicals created in the stomach. C part, hormones created in the reproductive parts. D part, hormones created in the bloodstream. Question 13. Chromotherapy is based on the fact that various lights have definitive dash, A part, heat, B part, light, C part, shape, D part, energy. Question 14. Red color works for the vegetative functioning of the dash, A part, organ, B part, mind, C part, body, D part, heart. Question 15. Dash color is the center around the heart. A part green, B part violet, C part blue, D part red. Question 16. Dash therapy can be used as supportive treatment. A part neurotherapy, B part chakra therapy, C part physiotherapy, D part chromotherapy. Question 17. The body has been divided into 7 chakras or dash colors. A part 8, B part 9, C part 7, D part 6. Question 18. Dash scientists suggest that chromotherapy can regulate neurohormonal balance in the human brain. A part Italian, B part Indian, C part German, D part Croatian. Let us start the writing section. Question number 19 to 24 are based on the given text. Read the text carefully and answer the questions. There are certain basic requirements for good descriptive writing. Given below are some examples in which we can give a vivid, that is a clear, description of persons, places, or objects. Question 19. Which of the following is the most effective way of describing a young man? A part, Ravi was 22 and he wanted to boss over people. He made up his face. B part, Ravi was 22 and his face was full of makeup. He tried to override other people. C part, Ravi was 22. He had a stern face. D part, Ravi was 22 and his stern face hinted at a strong determination to succeed. Question 20. Choose the most effective description of a marketplace. Number 1. It was overcrowded with customers and traders bargaining. Sometimes I went there to get fruits. Number 2. It was noisy, crowded with customers and traders bargaining. The market had a variety of colorful fruits. Number 3. It was boisterous and crowded with customers and traders bargaining. The prevailing sweet and tangy smell was alluring enough. Number 4. It was always crowded with customers and traders bargaining. I used to watch their actions from a distance. Carefully answer the question because it has got options in a different way written here. A part option 4, B part option 3, C part option 1, D part option 2. Question 21. A woman comes back from after being pickpocketed in the marketplace. Which of the following sentence is most descriptive? A part, she arrived at the house. B part, she entered the house. C part, she came into the house. D part, she came into the house screaming and crying. Question 22. While describing Darjeeling, a hill station, which of the following is most unsuitable? Number 1. Darjeeling is different from Goa in terms of serenity. Number 2. Darjeeling is 6560 feet above the sea level, which is considerably higher than Gangtok. Number 3. The chilly breeze from Tiger Hills feels and panoramic view of Mount Everest and the Mount Kanchenjunga. Number 4, the enthralling view of a stunning sunrise over Kanchenjunga and experience on narrow gauge Darjeeling Himalayan Railway or toy train. So here we have to mark the most unsuitable one. A option 1, B option 3, C option 2, D option 4. Question 23. Which of the following is the basic aim of descriptive writing? A part, to provide the reader with scientific details. B part, to allow the reader to grasp the writer's idea through the reader's sense of sight, smell, taste, sound and touch. C part, to appeal to the reader's liking for numbers. D part, to inform the readers about technical features. Question 24. Which of the following is the most descriptive way to talk about a child? A part, Tommy is called a chatterbox. His teachers tell him that his mouth goes a mile a minute. B part, Tommy wouldn't even hurt a fly. He is such a gentle boy. C part, Tommy is too energetic to stay focused. D part, Tommy is pretty clever for his age. He mostly figures things on his own. Let us now start grammar. Question 25. She dashed me at the meetings only on Sundays as a child. Options are A. Saw, B. Had seen, C. Was seeing, D. Is seeing. Question 26. Until the tap water dash back on yesterday evening, we dash water back and forth for 3 days. Options to fill in these blanks can be A part, had come, were carrying, B part, was coming, will have carried, C part, came, had been carrying, D part, has come, have been carrying. Question 27. This may seem very difficult for you, but after the course, any one of our students dash able to solve such problems, so you will be able to do too. The options are A. Were, B. Had been, C. Is, and D. Are. Question 28. I dash bought them if you had lent me some money. The options are A. May have, B. Might have, C. Must have, and D. Ought to have. Question 29. The dogs were dash given a biscuit. A part all, B part each, C part much, D part every. Question 30. I said, 2 fixed menus for us please. I dash our meal. A part, proposed, B part, protested, C part, ordered, D part, suggested. Now let us go on to literature. Question number 31 to 35 are based on the given text. Read the text carefully and answer the questions. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke up and stretched, and asked the time, then looked at her. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. One day when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pincushion for a gift out of the beautiful piece of yellow silk. Let us see the questions. Question 31. What did Kezia's father do on Sundays? A part, he used to have sound sleep to take rest. B part, gossip. C part, he went for movies. D part, He used to visit his friends. Question 32. How did Kezia's grandmother help her to have a better relation with her father? A part, by sending her to talk to him in his room. B part, by asking her to complete her homework. C part, by asking him to prepare food for him. D part, all of these. Question 33. What did Kezia's grandmother ask her to make for her father? A part, none of these. B part, a gift of pincushion. C part, chapati. D part, snacks. Question 34. Was she happy with her parents? A part, maybe. B part, no. C part, yes. D part, none of these. Question 35. Find a word that means undisturbed. A part, snoring. B part, handkerchief. C part, soundly. D part, stretched. Question number 36 to 40 are based on given text. Read the text carefully and answer the questions. During the annual Sri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony, our family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols of Lord from the temple to the marriage site situated in the middle of the pond called Ramatirtha, which was near our house. Events from Ramayana and from the life of Prophet were bedtime stories my mother and grandmother would tell to the children in our family. Question 36. What is the name of the pond? A part Ramatirtha, B part Kalyanam, C part Sri Sita Rama, D part Rama Sita. Question 37. Find a word from the passage that means images of God. A. Idols. B. Temple. C. Lord. D. Platform. Question 38. What type of stories were told to the writer at bedtime? A part, events from Ramayana. B part, idols of Lord. C part, about the grandmother. D part, Sri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony. And question 39 is, find the word in the passage which means the same, the place where some event took place. A part site, B part platform, C part pond, D part none of these. Question 40. What was the annual event held in Rameswaram? A part Sri Radhe Shyam Kalyanam ceremony, B part none of these, C part Sri Ram Lakshman Kalyanam ceremony, D part Sri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony. Question number 41 to 45 are based on the given text. Read the text carefully and answer the questions. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Question 41. Who brought the rain? A part ocean, B part none of these, C part wind, D part plants. Question 42. Who are affected by the wind? A part people, B part strong, C part things, D part weak. Question 33. Tell a word in the poem which is the antonym of foolish. A part clever, B part cunning, C part all of these, D part wise. Question 44. Who tore the pages of the books? A part children, B part wind, C part monkey, D part none of these. Question 44. What is the moral of this poem? A part, request the wind. B part, be firm and strong and never be defeated by an obstacle. C part, don't be weak. D part, pray to the wind. Question number 46 to 50 are based on the given text. Read the text carefully and answer the questions. I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked around and he prepared to go to sleep. Who is the speaker of the above lines? Number 1, Happy Prince. Number 2, Swallow. Number 3, Queen. And number 4, none of these. You have to mark the options as it is given below and in A, B, C, D. A is only 3, B is only 4, C is only 2, D is only 1. Question 47. Explain I have a golden bedroom. A part, the prince had a golden heart. B part, the feet of the happy prince were surrounded with gold. C part, the statue was made of gold. D part, there was a lot of gold ornaments on the statue. Question 48. Where are we going? A part Russia, B part Antarctica, C part Australia, D part Egypt. What was he? Why was he going? A part for shelter, B part for food, C part for warmth, D part for charity. Question 50. Which of the following is an adverb used in the above extract? A part softly, B part golden, C part prepared, D part round. Question 51. Margie had to write out her homework. A part none of these, B part in English, C part in punch code, D part in Russian. Question 52. To which the American president did Einstein write a letter about the destructive powers of such atomic bombs? A truly beautiful mind. A part Abraham Lincoln, B part Theodore Roosevelt, C part Franklin Pierce, D part Franklin D. Roosevelt. Question 53. How many times did Einstein utter a word when he learned to speak? A part once, B part twice, C part thrice, and D part 4 times. Question 54. Who played Shehnai at King's Palace? A singer, B, a barber, C, a coachman, D, a musician. Question 55. What weaves their air threads into woof in the poem Rain on the Roof? A part, a thousand dreamy fancies, B part, a thousand recollections, C part, a thousand raindrops, D part, a thousand lilies. Question 56. Saint Peter came to the house of the woman who was dash maker, a legend of the Northland. A. Cake, B. Roti, C. Pot, and D. Chocolate. Question 57. Why did the ticket collector call Toto a dog? A part, all of these. B part, because of his dog-like looks. C part, because he was peeping out of the bag. D part, to fix fare. Question 58. Who reached the kingdom? A part, two young men. B part, a guru and his disciple. C part, two thieves. D part, two tradesmen. Question 59. What were the things that the child saw on his way to the fair of lost child? A part toys, B part sweets and garlands, C part all of these, D part balloons. Question 60. Where did the child go with his parents? Chapter is The Lost Child. A part all of these, B part cinema hall, C part village fair, and D part circus. Now you must have answered all the questions. Here is the solution. As I read the solution, quickly tick your paper, and at the end, do please comment and write how much you scored. It will be really encouraging for me to see my children solve these papers. The solution is of Unseen Passage 1. 1. D part, everyone starts making a decision. 2. B part, everyone respected the decision taken by the head. C part, head of the family. 4th, B part, develops bonding. 5. C part, so they feel empowered. 6th, B part, make time for children and listen to them. 7th, C part, his child stories. 8th, B part, improve the bonding of family members. 9. C part, injured. 10th, C part, cuisine. Question 11, B part, it has no side effects. 12, A part, hormones created in brain. 13, D part, energy. 14, C part, body. 15, A part, green. 16, D part, chromotherapy. 17, C part, 7. 18, D part, Croatian. Writing section. 19th, D part, Ravi was 22 and his stern face hinted at a strong determination to succeed. Question 22. Question 20. Option 2. It was boisterous and crowded with customers and traders bargaining. The prevailing sweet and tangy smell was alluring enough. Question 21. Answer 21. D part. She came into the house screaming and crying. Answer 22. A part, that is option 1. Darjeeling is different from Goa in terms of serenity. Question 23. B part, to allow the readers grasp the writer's idea through the reader's sense of sight, smell, taste and touch. Question D part, Tommy is. Question 24. A part, Tommy is called a chatterbox. His teachers tell him that his face goes a mile a minute. Question 25. A saw. Question 26. Came. Had been crying. Question 27. Is. C part. 28. B part. Might have. B part. 20. Question 29. B part. Each. And 30. C part. Ordered. Let us start with literature solution. 31. A part. He used to have a sound sleep to take rest. Question 32. A part, by sending her to talk to him in his room. Question 23. A gift of pincushion. Question 34. B part, no. Question 35. C part, soundly. Question 36. A part, Ram Tirtha. Question 27. Idols. Question 38. A part, events and the Ramayana. Question 39. A part, sight. Question 40. D part, Sri Sita Raman Rama Kalyanam ceremony. Question 41. C part, wind. 42. D part, weak. 43. A part, clever. 44. B part, wind. 45. B part, be firm and strong and never be defeated by any obstacle. 46. C part, only 2, that is swallow. Question 47. B part, the feet of Happy Prince were surrounded with gold. Question 48. D part, Egypt. 49. C part, for warmth. 50. A part, softly. Question 51. C part in punch code. Question 52. D part, Franklin D. Roosevelt. 53. B part, twice. 54. B part, a barber. 55. B part, a recollection. 56. A part, cake. 57. D part, to fix fair. 58. B part, a guru and his disciple. 59. C part, all of these. Question 60. C part, village. I hope this sample paper solution was helpful to you all. Do let me know how much you scored in the comment section. Do take good care of yourself. All the best for your exams. Go through sample paper 1, 2. Goodbye. Take care.